Hey, what's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can make a game pass on your please donate option in Roblox. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to go to an Roblox website. So I'm going to show you on from mobile. It will work for mobile and PC also. So please make sure you watch the full video and follow every step that I am going to show you. So after going to the Roblox website, you have to sign in your account. Then you have to click on create. After that you have to click on your option here, please. Here you have to click on this three dot bar icon. Then you will find a page like this. After that, what you have to do, you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. Then you have to find the option called passes. You have to click on this option. You can see I have already make two passes here. I am going to show you that how you can make one. You have to click on create a pass. Then you can change the logo here. You have to click on change and you can upload any picture, any funny or serious picture from here. Then you have to give it a name like this, hi, and you have to put a description here that people will see after the donation, just like this. You can add anything from anything here. Then after doing your work, you have to click on create pass, just like this. Then your pass will be created. You can see the pass is not available here. This is off sale. So what you need to do to activate it, you have to click on the three dot bar icon. Then you have to open the pass here. Then what you have to do, you have to click on this three dot bar icon again and find the option called sales, just like this. You have to click on this option. Then you have to turn this option on, item for sale, so that people can donate you money. After that, you have to click on this option and you have to put the amount that you want to people want to say donate. I'm going to do 10. Then you have to click on save changes. So after doing all the things, then you have to go to an Roblox game again, just like this. You have to open up your Roblox game on your PC or on your mobile phone, anything here. Then you have to go to on please donate again and you have to click on play. So after that, you have to find a store that is not claimed. You have to find a store just like this, unclaimed, and you have to stand here and click on claim and tap on it. Okay, just like this option. Okay, then your passes will be added here. So you can see my all the passes will shown on here. So I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.